it's Sarah here and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the latest Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. So the price is $5.99 and you can get it from different retailers such as Argos, Amazon, PC Currys and other retailers. So here we are. So let's get started. My trusty knife, it's sharp, so be careful. And watch those fingers. It's got a flap on. Let's turn it over. So here it is. To come out of this. We don't need this, so let's just chuck it away. So here we have the Dyson. We have the packaging, which is really sleek in Dyson fashion. We have what it says here, which is the Dyson V15 Detect Absolute. So that's the Dyson V15 Detect Absolute. So here we've got a picture of the actual Dyson with everything on there. So this is in an upright position. Again, upright position, but it's a side profile. That is just, again, just a picture. Okay, so now I'm going to unbox the main products. So here we have 3 seals. So I'm going to use my trusty knife just to open the seals. There we go. Again, just being careful. Ooh. Okay. I'm just going to turn the box over so you can see. So here is the compliance and safety information. Now, that is it. Okay, you have manuals and manuals, you have documents and documents in some products. Dyson has kept this simple. Here we can see the English translation and that is it. That is it, guys. Just, you know, so simple, down to the point. Here it is. So I'm going to put this away. We may refer to that later. And I'm so excited to open this because I just want you guys to have a look at this as well. How beautifully packaged this is. I have to say, it is really, really amazing. You can feel the luxury. It may be a vacuum, but you can feel it. So the first thing I'm going to take out. So every little thing has its own little box and compartment. So, wow. These are the little tools that you're getting. That looks like a bit like an upholstery attachment. We have the trusty crevice attachment here. And in true Dyson fashion, they have the chunky buttons in a different colour. On previous Dysons, they've had them in yellow. So here we've got them in red. So there's that many things here. You're going to have to bear with me while I take them all out of the packaging and then we'll go through them one by one. So everything's out now, so I'm going to remove the rubbish and come back to you with the main product we've got for this Dyson. We have the laser fluffy head here, and it's like a velvet coating. It has small bristles here as well, and here you can see laser detect. That's for hard floors, so it'll detect the invisible dust on the hard floors. So it's the slim laser fluffy head. That's what it's called. We've got the anti-tangle comb. Here you can see the bristles. And this is for any other flooring. So this is basically for your carpets or any deep rugs or anything like that. We've got the actual pipe as well. Again, in true Dyson fashion, we have the buttons. we have the great accessories, which Dyson always provide different accessories for different jobs as well, which I've noticed. They're pretty good at providing good accessories for every single thing. It's like they think of everything as well. Next, I've got here the main unit, and the main unit has the battery here. It comes with one battery, and here is the filter that you need to look after. It is a washable filter as well. Here, as you can see, the capacity is quite large for a cordless vacuum, which is quite surprising. The one thing that I would say is for anybody is that it will tell you, there's a display here, there's a digital display, it will tell you to charge 100% before your first use. So I would recommend that you do charge 100% before your first use. And the other thing that I have noticed, which I didn't know until I actually unpacked it, was this. So here is one of the special little accessory heads, and watch this. No way! So you've got this little handheld Hoover with an accessory on it, and you can easily, look, press this button and out it comes. This is how you're going to charge the battery. So this is a 50-watt plug, which is going to be a good charger, and it's probably going to charge really, really fast as well with a 50-watt. So I'm quite impressed with that again. So again, 100% charge. We do recommend that it's 100% charge. So I'm going to put it on for a few hours for that charge, and then I'll come back and see you guys, and we'll start the review and see how it actually works. Back. Here we are with a fully charged Dyson unit. It takes about 4 hours to get from a 0 to 100% charge, just to let you know. So I'm going to assemble it. Let's see how quickly we can assemble this and at what ease assembly is, and how quickly we can assemble it and how easy it is as well. So let's go. Here is the pipe. Okay, there is the click button. That is it. That is it. Okay. Next, I'm gonna go with the anti-tangle comb head. I feel like I need to go with this one first. So there is a minus and a plus there as well. So I think it's basically the brush tension. So you can see here. So it is adjustable. Guys. Okay. There we go. So there it is, all assembled. So here I am, ready to put this into action. Just a few things, guys. Batteries, cordless vacuums do have this battery pack here, so it can make the handle a little bit heavy. But so far, I'm loving the height and everything of this vacuum cleaner as well. So there's a little trigger here, small trigger here that you have to press while you're actually hoovering. So just to let you know, it's a bit like you're pressing this down when you need it to hoover. So that's that. So I'm just going to now, you can also switch it on so you can see the display. So I'm going to switch it on. I'm going to put it on the eco. So here it is, the eco mode. Have the eco mode, the medium mode, and the boost mode. So the boost mode is basically high powered. Okay, so that's what comes up, and we covered that in the leaflet as well, where it was showing you all these things. So in the boost mode, you can imagine it's using quite a lot of power. So when it does lose a lot of power, just be mindful of your battery capacity, and the battery will be used really quickly, so you may have to charge. Here we go, I'm on the eco mode at the moment. I'm just going to press the button. So as you can see, I hoovered the small part of the carpet. It picked up really, really well. But from the display, you can see what you're actually hoovering up. So you can see the dust mites, the allergens, the microscopic dust. It's all in there. So it's kind of giving you that little graph, and you're seeing the results. It's telling you what you're hoovering. So that, to me, that's really, really good, because then you can concentrate on where you want to hoover, whether it's dust mite, allergens, you know, microscopic dust, if you suffer with allergies and things like that. So that is a good feature, and I'm loving the feature. I'm actually loving the color codedness of this as well, to know that it's a color screen as well. So it's quite visual, which I'm liking. When I was hoovering as well, what I would say to you is, it is effortless. It's smooth. Yes, it can be a little bit heavy because of the battery, but I'm liking it so far. But we will try the other head on here and go to a hard floor, and let's see how we get on there. We're on a hard floor now, so here comes the other head. So this is the laser detect head, okay, and it has the laser off and on here. So I'm going to attach this now to the bottom of the vacuum cleaner. So here we are, this is how easy it is. You just press the button and it slides out. And now we're going to put this one in. Hold on. And we just wait for the click. The roller here is made for the microscopic dirts and things on the hard flooring. So things like if you drop flour and things like that, it would pick those things up easily. It is made for the invisible dust as well. So the detect, which is here, if I press this, you can see the light, and that is basically guiding you to where you need to hoover. So that is basically guiding you on where you need to hoover and everything. So the light is basically showing you where you will find the microscopic dust and any other dirt that you can't basically see. So the light is such a good idea, because you're giving your kitchen or your bathroom or wherever you have the hard floors, your lounge, a thorough clean. And I think that's a really, really good idea, so I'm quite impressed. These are 3 examples of some of the dirt that you'll probably get in your kitchen floor. We've got flour, baking powder or anything like that. We have here paper and dust. Here we have the bigger substances. So basically if you dropped any rice or noodles or anything, I just want to see how the hoover actually picks up these things from a hard floor. So here I've gone back to the normal anti-tangle comb head, and let's see with this one if it picks up the bigger particles. After using the V15, I've come to the verdict that this is an almighty pass. The battery life is quite good, it's strong, it's got a boost mode, it's got all those fancy extras you need, the laser lighting, it comes up with this fancy display as well. It is price-wise, it's $599 like I said to you before, but you are paying for a lot of extras on this vacuum cleaner. So I would say that this is a great buy. That's the end of my video, and if I've missed anything or you want me to cover any other products or review anything else, then please comment below. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and press the all important bell icon. And thank you for watching, and stay safe, and bye bye.